Hello, today we're going to be doing a presentation on artificial intelligence and how it's going to impact society. The group members are James Halsey.
Vedika Aman.
Brady Feldhouse.
And I'm Paul Connolly.
All right, so today we'll be introducing AI, which stands for Artificial Intelligence. It is the development of computer system which performs the tasks that requires human interactions in daily life, such as visual perception, speech recognition, and decision-making skills. AI technology helps us analyze data and learn from it using algorithms and statistical models, helping computers to adapt to new data and enhance efficiency over time. Since AI has an opportunity to improve many parts of our lives, it also presents critical ethical and social issues that must be addressed to assure its ethical advancement and use. Some facts, the AI was officially developed in 1956 by a group of computer scientists and mathematicians gathered at the Dartmouth College, I've got it wrong, for a summer workshop. The purpose of this workshop was to explore ways where the machines could think and generate answers like humans, which is also called artificial intelligence. AI has advanced quickly over the past few years due to advance in deep learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. As AI advances, it has the potential to transfer many elements of society and the economy.
Artificial intelligence has already started to make an impact on society in a variety of ways, and it's only going to grow. Currently, AI is the worst it's ever going to be, so it's only going to get better, it's only going to improve, and if you've seen the notice or changes from ChatGPT 3 to ChatGPT 4, you can understand how that's going to be significant in the next 20 years. But some of the potential impacts of artificial intelligence is many jobs will be replaced with automation. Healthcare will improve due to algorithms in place to analyze data. Education is going to be changed, and some surveillance and crime detection will also be more advanced and more prevalent in our society. So specifically with automation, right now many jobs can be automated. Companies will actually have an incentive to automate jobs, especially ones with monotonous or repetitive tasks. If there's a more efficient, more productive alternative, they're always going to do that. And a consequence of that is that since jobs are going to be replaced with automation, it's going to lead to decreased wages as well. Since there's less jobs, there's going to be less pay for them. But yeah, so we're going to be very dependent. The AI is going to be very dependent on which type of company it is. Companies that have more automation or companies that have more manufacturing are going to benefit greatly from it, while other companies might not. So right now it's very situational, but the future of AI is going to infect all sorts of occupations and jobs. There is a positive to this, though. It's going to lead to many of jobs. People will need to maintain and manage these AI systems, and creative roles and technical roles will be the new directions of jobs for implementing IT or implementing AI. It doesn't just spit out answers. It just doesn't automatically automate it. You have to know how to make it do that. So that's going to open up roles in that position.
Improving student learning outcomes is one of the main advantages of AI in education. Learning platforms with AI integration may assess student data, monitor development, and offer individualized suggestions for improvement. These tools can assist educators in spotting problem areas in their students' learning, give comments, and suggest more resources. AI can also design dynamic and interesting learning environments that can improve students' learning outcomes.
So one of the things AI is going to affect majorly is healthcare systems, specifically in diagnostics of medical issues and the treatments for them. So a human might miss over a detail or a symptom, or just be uneducated on how these symptoms are connected to a certain illness, while an AI is going to be capable of scanning through millions, if not billions, of records of symptoms, test results, and diagnoses to determine what illness it is with extreme accuracy. An advanced AI is also very unlikely to make mistakes when enough data is provided. And along with diagnostics, it's going to be able to monitor how effective a treatment is and recommend to continue or change a treatment based on large amounts of data, based on how other people reacted to a certain drug and what did or didn't work for them. AI is really built on big data infrastructure, and so the more it's used, the more accurate it will become. And it's also currently being used in surveillance and crime detection. So AI has facial detection and pattern recognition that is being used to counter criminal threats right now, and it's only going to continue to improve. So with AI cameras, they're able to detect who you are, what you're holding, and really what you're doing. So behaviors linked to suspicious activity could be detected. So for example, if a certain threshold, like somebody is at an airport and is holding a weapon or an outline of a weapon is seen on a camera, authorities can be alerted much faster than a human guard could predict or see. And so this technology is widely known about in China, but it probably exists in almost any country. China just isn't as secretive about it. And so AI also scans the internet to find imminent threats based on a social media post or just general search behavior. So, for example, if somebody posts on a social media platform that they're going to do something bad to an airport or a mall or something like that, it can immediately alert authorities. And then also there's a lot of data building. For example, if you have a bunch of different searches, but all these searches are related to causing harm to somebody or building something that's bad, it can detect that much better than a human would be able to and much faster.
In conclusion, artificial intelligence has had a big influence on the world, good and badly affecting numerous industries. The impact of AI on healthcare, education, finance, transportation, and other fields has resulted in tremendous improvements that have made life easier and more efficient. The advantages of AI are numerous, but so are the drawbacks, notably in terms of job displacement, decision-making flaws, and the degradation of human contact. Organizations must collaborate to design rules, stimulate public discussion, and invest in worker training programs to maximize the advantages and limit the possible negatives of AI. And here are our references.
Thank you very much for listening.